Athens and Sparta quiz. First type your first name in the box here. Then type your last name in the box here. Then select your cycle number. Number 1. Which characteristic describes the geography of Athens? Located on the Peloponnese Peninsula? Located 4 miles from the Aegean Sea? Located between the mountains and sea. Number 2. Which characteristic describes the geography of Sparta? Located on a plain between the mountains and sea? Located close to the sea? Located by the Aegean Sea. 3. Which council played a large role in the government of Athens? Council of Elders, Council of 500, the Assembly. Number 4. Who proposed laws in the government of Athens? Council of Elders, Council of 500, the Assembly. Number 5. Who made important decisions in the government of Sparta? Council of Elders, Council of 500, the Assembly. Number 6. In which city-state did the Assembly debate and vote on proposed laws? Athens, Sparta, or both? Number 7. What was the economy of Athens based on? Farming, trade, all of the above. Number 8. What was the economy of Sparta based on? Farming, trading, both. Number 9. Where did Athens buy and sell goods? The Acropolis, the Agora, the farmland. Number 10. What was Sparta's form of money? Coins, iron bars, tokens. Number 11. What was the main purpose of education in Sparta? To produce good citizens, to produce men and women who could protect the city-state, all of the above. Number 12. What was the main purpose of education in Athens? To produce good citizens, to produce men and women who could protect the city-state, all of the above. 13. What did boys in Athens learn in school? Reading, writing, arithmetic, and literature, wrestling, gymnastics, and music, or all of the above. Where did girls in Athens learn? At school, at home, at the Agora. 15. At what age did boys in Athens begin their military training? Age 18, age 7, age 20. 16. At what age did boys in Sparta begin their military training? Age 18, age 7, age 20. 17. Where did Athenian women have their greatest influence? At home, at the Agora, at the Assembly. 18. What was a woman's right in Sparta? To speak freely to her husband's friends, to own and control her own property, all of the above. 19. What were slaves able to do in Athens? Work for the city as clerks, sell any extra crops after giving their master his share, marry whoever and whenever they wanted. And number 20, what were slaves able to do in Sparta? Work for the city as clerks, sell any extra crops after giving their master his share, or be trained as craftsmen.